Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So I made videos on Uthando Nestembu, right? I did Uthando Nestembu Uncut, and I also did the recent episodes of Uthando Nestembu. The aim was just to share with my TikTok viewers or my TikTok friends to say this is the opinion that I had on the episodes. I am now sharing them with you. Please let me know what you think of the episodes that have played. And do you think Uguti Umseleku still has the power to keep this as tempo going? Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe as you enjoy my TikTok videos. Dumelang bazalwane, never mind the moisturizer on my hair. But let us start ngendaba yakavuyo guys. Uthando Nestembu Uncut. It's tough. I feel Mayeni's pain, but at the same time, I think I understand where Vuyogazi comes from. It is difficult to ask for your child if you feel the environment is toxic for you or because many a times they will refuse with the child. So I think Umayeni, her pain is valid. At the same time, Vuyogazi's pain is valid, but I did not expect Sophia. We lazy. Another thing that I cannot wait to see for this uncut yes tempo Uthando Nestembu ke barking Macele's response when it comes to Umayeni. I refuse to believe ukuthi Umayeni umgiveka so ugel wathula what no response. Aisha, and I like Uthando Nestembu. They are breaking these women one by one so that we can see what happened, because if they had given us everything, all of them, maybe would be overwhelmed. But right now, I'm loving Uncut. And am I toxic for wanting Uma Kele? I responde Kumayeni after 2 years as well. Which also really owns. Kaizin, back and forth, but I think what Uthando Nestembu is teaching us, and what we don't want to admit, is that yes, we might love the same man, but it does not necessarily mean we're going to love each other. Singayithanda into day one, but it does not mean ukuthi sizoclicka all the time, because you can see ukuthi Umayeni noMacele, they are cordial, but they don't necessarily click. Guys, kuri akithi uri ngairanga why bangayishayisi yonke ngesikhathi siyi-1 siyi-binge watch vele, like, but do you agree with me kule part ya gore Macele tshwanetse a bane le response a reply to Mayeni bathathathana so ko tafoleng eo bathathathana so and then natla conclude after mo gore nyakana eng yo Mayeni athu yazazi shuthi Mayeni vele akatshelani kuma diaries kuphela, face to face ngwanyana wa botsana face to face wako biela shawena this girl yo hey yazi mawe boys. Here's the thing also that I realized from the episode that just aired, ne umngani wakhe stressed the fact respect ukuthi yes, you are tired, but you guys need to respect each other. And I think ukuthi low key Umayeni knows that that's a point for self-reflection. And I pray ukuthi she self-reflects, and then when season 8 comes, it's better, because we all know ukuthi Umseleku is not perfect, right? But sometimes mama khuluma naye I cringe baba. Maybe it's because sometimes nathi sikhuluma nabantu bethu so emaceleni and not necessarily in front of other people, and this one we are really seeing it on TV. I don't know, but the friend was like respect, and I feel ukuthi girl on this one what do they exactly mean, and abukele lama videos ukuthi where, cause mina the last diary session abenayo Umseleku athi hayi hamba, like I don't know if she did say Fuseko or what, but yo yes Riri already saying she had to be strategic. I agree, because in that time, isn't it, they did not end up well, like they didn't end well, at all. So uGirl had to be strategic and think ukuthi kuzongisebenzela ukwenza kanjani. And also considering ukuthi I think maybe she also had ubaba uMseleku in mind, because remember ukuthi uMseleku fought for Vuyokazi, guys. uMseleku fought for Vuyokazi to be in that family, fought for Vuyokazi to be in that relationship. Ukuya ngomseleku uVuyokazi would have been the first wife kaSibindi. Unfortunately, those are the consequences of being loved by the father-in-law and not the man, because yakuthanda family mara umfana okay kore a o shoka o bontshe di-flames. That's why ba re tshwantse o gopole gore pila o tlile ka mang ka mola, because as much as uMseleku advocated for uVuyokazi, I think it was said in this thing as atshela uMayeni ukuthi wena no Sibindi beningamfuni lo muntu, but mina I fought for her to be here. And no matter how much he fought, because he was not in the relationship with uMusa, it had to be a decision kaSibindi. And uSibindi made sure that he is going to do everything possible to drive her out so that he saves his relationship with his dad. So uVuyokazi waphuma kanjalo. But truth is, I umlwele uMseleku uVuyokazi. Awulwile lo baba. Ulwile jealous down.